Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a super easy install that I've been wanting to get in. We have the Mopar door sill guards. So these are pretty simple, and like I said, these are the Mopar brand. I chose these because a little bit better quality, they are more expensive. Today we're going to throw these on the new Jeep. Simple, easy, should be pretty quick. Alright, let's take a quick look at what we got in the package. So obviously your instructions. And then everything's nicely packaged. You got front left, rear right, rear left. I even gave you some alcohol wipes to clean it up with. And you can kind of see the quality here. Just has the Wrangler emblem and 2 strips of double-sided tape. So super easy. It is a little cold today to do this install, but we got the Jeep parked outside, so it's sitting in the sun. So we should be good to go. It'll warm these up. Should adhere pretty well. All right, so we had the door sills laying out in the driveway, so got them nice and warm. Since it is a little bit cooler today, I want to make sure that our adhesive is going to stick and that it's not too cold. So I actually had the Jeep setting out as well. So let's show you where these go. All right, it's going to be hard because I am casting a shadow right where you need to see. But these are going to go right down here, tight to that little mount right there. So you can kind of see there, if I can get out of the way enough. So whenever you pull this adhesive off, you just want to make sure that they're all the way flush to the back and then all the way flush to the front to that. And that's where those are supposed to line up for the front. So let's get this thing wiped down. Super nice that they came with the adhesive wipes. I already went to go find alcohol in the bathroom, and luckily we had some of these. So with this, you just want to make sure, like we washed the Jeep today, this is nice and clean, but we wanted to make sure that you always want to make sure anytime you're doing any type of adhesive that there's no grease, maybe not too much wax, nothing like that. You want a good adhesive, especially here where your feet are going to be kicking it coming in and out of the Jeep. Oh yeah, paint's nice and warm. I think it says you're supposed to wait like 5 minutes or so, but I could literally see that evaporating as I was wiping. So you do want to make sure that your alcohol has completely evaporated and everything's completely dry before you throw these on. All right, again, tight to the front, tight to the back. And then you just want to give it a good press all the way across. If you're doing something smaller and you can hold pressure the whole time, it's better. But obviously it's too wide for that. All right, let's check them out. So there you have it. Super easy, nothing to it. And the door still shuts just fine. All right, let's move on to the back. All right, so we're set up on the back. There's actually nowhere specifically to line it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about 2 inches past this door seam right here. Yeah, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches, somewhere around there. We're just gonna kind of center it in the center of the door. Now this is curved, I don't know if you can see that, but actually whenever you press down, this actually bends a little bit. Not an issue at all. It's gonna, once you get the adhesive on there, it's gonna conform. And like I said, everything's nice and warm right now, so it's perfect. You can kind of see here what I'm talking about with the door sill. Just a little bit past that. Perfect. All right, so there you have it. Get out of the way so you can see it in the sun, but super easy. Nothing to it. All right, so there you have it. Super easy install today. Nothing to it really. Still got to knock out the other side, but yeah, it's not hard at all. But I think it looks good. The quality's good, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.